Hi everybody, Paul here from EMD Automotive Carrying Bus. Sorry, just want to show you what I'm doing today. So 911 SC, I was driving the car and test everything. There's some reason why the rear reverse light not really coming on properly. It's like sort of flickers. So I had a look at the wiring, and the wiring's here, and the wiring was just hanging on by just a little small strand. So it's all like nearly broken, but just hanging on. So I took it off. I'm gonna cut it, and then I want to extend it because the problem is the wiring is too short, and they pull on that switch there. They pull on it, and then what happened is it's sort of like there's so much tension on the wire, it creates they start to break off. So I'll solder a brand new one because the pin was already broken off. So see that? That's the old pin was already half broken, so I put a new wire there, and I want to extend the wire so it's longer. Yesterday I had to take the wheels off and just pop the seals off and double check everything, and nothing was wrong. It's just that the seal was too new, so it just needs a bit more, needs to come out and go back in. So I took the calipers off yesterday and then pop it off on the bench, both sides. I didn't want to take any changes, so I just want to pop it off both sides and then double check. And look at that now. Look at this. Look at the wheel compared to before. I'll show you. See that? That's the wheel. That's how it's supposed to spin. Remember before the video I showed you before, it's actually, you can't even turn it. That's the right hand side front and the left hand side. Look at that. Look how free that is compared to before. It's still spinning. Before I can't even spin the wheel. Let's have a look at the rear. Oh, sorry, the handbrake's on, but the rear is free as well. I already checked the rear as well. They're all free. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix that up, extend that, make it nice, and just double check the whole car again and see what else I can fix, and then I'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.